Kabupaten Ban ili Jiwa Konsensi Urupkan Jangkok Lama Konsensi Jogja Konsensi Amrita Konsensi Indong Kita Konsensi Muhammadiyah Konsensi Muasong Konsensi ini Konsensi Hukum Konsensi dengan hawa itu umum sih ada gitu ada konsen jiwa konsensi kupikir gitu lah kalau punya jiwa konsensi isi dan saya nenting kalau hal itu mau dibawa kalau konsen mari coba konsensi itu jiwa konsensi kalau konsen intensi jangan coba gitu awal dia nak bertanggung jawab lalu dia contohnya itu akhir semua orang isi itu ekor pontiya banglam siap kilo kalau merah lelena kerja orang contohnya kalau merah lelena setiap ini dia cinta dengan tampil hobi dan bed dia soal lain suri ini sosial soal lain akhirnya dia cuma tampil Amit Shah Gai Banhansi, Bhumi Shah Gai Banhansi, itu mana kami kaji bon, anu komelo, jangan jadi bangong itu telepon bangong bangong itu. Lalu dia kerja kami kaji bon, pada itu akhir malam itu namsi, itu minggu kami bangong itu. Lalu ada kita apa misalnya kita sekalian, kalau ini studi kita menentu kerja lo, angka lo, itu kalau jadi semua kan, akhir tu tapi tu ya kan, awal saya sini tu mereka telepon pokok itu, sekarang itu ada mana itu, tapi kerja lo menentu, kiri pok kerja lo, otomatis konsil, apa lo menentu di kolom yang ada itu, kerja lo, otomatis konsil pada itu di kolom lama itu, itu kerja lo otomatis konsil kan, MPK mahal, hingga dokter kerja song, kalau MPK mahal, apa yang kita mereka tunduk. Asal dia tujuh kenalan tu, lapor dia dekat dalam kau. Kisah kini tu jadi, terhenti kerja ini kerja. Terhenti kerja ini kerja tu, lapor dia dekat seorang lo. Lakukan cakap lo, ada yang kerja ada, aku, waktu tu. Dan fikir isi akan pulang dia tu akan yang dia lo. Kalau orang pulang dia tu malah begini, ente orang yang dikirakan pulang di, songa kita tengok, jadi mana? Ada yang kerja akan dia orang pulang dia kan, itu tim kerja orang yang
Kalita. In the first contingent, we have Central Reserve Police Force, led by their platoon commander S.I. Navneet Kumar, ABSI Chicken Bhagwati. In the third contingent, we have District Home Guards, led by their platoon commander ABSI Manoj Sharma. In the fourth contingent, we have Diffu Government College NCC, led by their platoon commander, Senior Under Officer Santos Kemprai. In the fifth contingent, we have Diffu Government Boys High Secondary School NCC, led by their platoon commander, Senior Under Officer Bharti Das. In the sixth contingent, we have KB English High School NCC, led by their platoon commander, Senior Under Officer Mohammed Yuti. In the seventh contingent, we have St. Mary's English High School NCC, led by their platoon commander, Senior Under Officer Rizwan Rockme. Senior Under Officer Sarlong Kimo. In the ninth contingent, we have Irulad Academy, led by their platoon commander Long Intera and their flag bearer Salman Chapsa. In the 10th contingent, we have Modern Memorial English School, led by their platoon commander Avinash Rocky and their flag bearer Monica Bisoki. Commander Gonsan Mile and their flag bearer Lokmi GB. This 12th contingent, we have Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, led by their platoon commander Akashdeep Theron and their flag bearer Saganika Dipati. In the 13th contingent, we have Mount Calvary English School, led by their platoon commander Aryan Singh and their flag bearer Krishmita Sinarthi. And their flag bearer Sharan Kumar Mahato. In the 15th contingent, we have North Point English School, led by their platoon commander Abdul Basir and their flag bearer Ray Karno. In the 16th contingent, we have Diffu Government Girls High School, led by their platoon commander Supriya Dey and their flag bearer Priya Ghosh. The 17th contingent, we have Manhasing English School, led by their platoon commander Kishore Chinhok and their flag bearer Monjur Ramiti. In Commander Along Ati and their flag bearer Ria Dev. Which is the first part of the dance. It is a part of our popular Mongol festival celebration that usually takes place in October and November. The Garo tribe is categorized as a typical Ayashika. This 3 years policy festival celebrated by the Garo tribe will thank Mishiagilpa, Sajang Galaka, the sun god, for blessing the region with good harvest. In the Mongol dance, like the Lord village captain acts as a priest, the man of the Garo tribe, which is social in nature. The literal meaning of the office is given as all the evil gifts of the village joins his organization irrespective of sex and class. Long is a fact means for institution, government ties, and reciprocal help, carrying out collective services among the villagers. With the work taken by the law is done, we use the word. Now may I request another group to perform, which is Motai, Bolo, and Dimasatru. Function for new elements and ready for harvesting. Samkhya is observed every year during the mid of April by the Mantar speaking community around the Puri Cultural Troupe. Thank you, sir. Now for the award for the marathon race.
Thank you.
In second. And in third place, because. Thank you so much, sir. Now for the award, Daphne.
Lakshmi punong lawa.
In second place, Lakshmi Bheti. And in the third place, Martina Maraj.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Now for President Cup Championship in 2020 in Goa. Award recipient Leda Rohardi, winning of a bronze medal winner in Second ABS National Baseball Kalika.